There we go, current installer for Office. Thankfully they make this nice and easy now. Although when you click install, you don't see anything happen. There you go. It's probably still installing drivers and stuff in the background, so it's going to be a little jerky till it gets that all handled. Of course, there's going to be updates. Alright, better get on naming this beast while it is busy installing Office. And might as well name it. If it was called Prieto Feo before, I think now we're going to call it Albondiga. I think that's how it's spelled. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. Haha. And of course set up the OneDrive. Loading. Don't send optional data, throw all this stuff in there. Hesitant to turn that one on because that'll burn up all of his free stuff. Alright. No. Later. I don't want to do that either. Goes off. That's still churning. While we wait, let's go ahead and queue up that Ninite installer. In my previous video with the framework, I showed this. I'm going to show it again. Chrome. You know what? I'm going to do a different variant. I'm going to do the ESR and Enterprise. No, screw it. I'll just do them regular. We'll give him Chrome and Firefox. At some point, he might need Zoom, but he doesn't have a webcam on this computer yet. 7-zip. He'll need iTunes. Oh no, I don't want to do that. iTunes. Yeah, there's stuff. Core screenshot. LibreOffice, kind of the whole. No, he has regular Office. PD. Oh yeah, right. Google eArth. Friend recorder, Gallery, Evo one installer. He's not going to eat those. Alright, cool. Let's put the taskbar settings, and here we go. This setting needs to change because this is how Windows should be. This is not a Mac. Alright, this is going to take a little while. Let's go make a sandwich. Since I know it's going to come up, it's got to be able to read PDFs. You go to get adobe.com, whack reader. However, uncheck this. I hate this so much. Yeah, your opinion counts. Yeah, except for when you express it. So, still waiting on this to do its job. So, hooray. Back in a moment again. Alright, finally it's done. Now, we can run Adobe Reader. Alright, here we go, installing Adobe Reader. It's one of these installers that likes to go to about halfway and then suddenly complete all the way. Progress Bar Simulator 2024. See, it's going to make a liar out of me and go past 50%. Okay. There we go. Then we'll just launch it real quick to associate. Go away, trials. Come on, there's a little, there we go. Yes, we want to use this application and done. Now the Ninite installer. This guy's pretty quick. Installing Firefox. Now Google Chrome. Now there is a motherboard CD here, although I think it figured out what the Wi-Fi is. Norton LifeLock, whatever all that is. So user manual, driver, and utilities. Yeah, I suppose we can poke around. Most of the time I don't even bother with these anymore. Helps it take it out. There we go. Alright. Kept the DVD drive from before, and of course the multi-card reader. And the 2 ports in the front, kind of silly today when I got like 6 in the front of mine. Let's see what the auto run has to do, or wants to do. Okay, for once the auto run doesn't do anything. You generally don't want to install more than one program at once, but we're just going to have a look and see what this offers. Okay, whatever that is not working, so that's fine. Let's have a look at Device Manager while we wait. See if there's anything in an error status. Nope. Yep, there's the NVIDIA card. Oop, and it popped under. So, driver it installed from 2020. But we can worry about that later. He's not doing games with this. Looks like it figured out the sound. All the AMD specific motherboard stuff. And of course it's Bluetooth. Golden. Still gonna wait on this guy. I'll go ahead and pop that disc out since it doesn't do any, not doing us any good. And of course I dropped the paper envelope. Okay, so it's waiting for another MSI to finish. Clock is behind. No, not anymore. Cool, there's today's news. It will be irrelevant later. Nah. Alright, cool. Alright, now I'm going to integrate his user-specific stuff, but you guys don't need to see any of that. But here we go, just make sure. So here we have our Microsoft Office. And blah, and blah. Don't send data. Tell them to GFY. Here we go. So we're golden. So probably the next thing I'm going to do is take off these badges on the front. It's got an AMD Vision from the old motherboard, Intel Celeron sticker, and a Windows XP sticker. All that's going to go away in favor of its new Ryzen 3 sticker and the caddy here, and it's ASRock. Guess I'll put up a still in a little bit. Until then, you guys, please, comment, press the like button if not, or if you hate it, press the dislike. I don't, no skin off my back. And of course, please subscribe. All right, have a good one.